Ever scrolled through your wealthsimple app, feeling proud of that growing portfolio, and wondered, wait, do I actually own these stocks? It might seem like a simple question, but the answer dives into the fascinating world of brokerage and how you, the investor, fit into the picture. Let's face it, investing can feel a bit like handing your hard-earned money to a stranger and hoping for the best. So, understanding exactly what you own and how wealthsimple holds it is crucial. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. Remember those old-school stock certificates, fancy paper documents representing ownership? Those days are largely gone. Today, most stock ownership is electronic and held in a system called street name. So, what exactly is street name? Imagine wealthsimple as your investment mansion. You tell them which stocks you want to buy, and they, like a trusty butler, go out and get them for you. But here's the twist, the butler doesn't hold the stocks directly in your name. Instead, they hold them in their own name, Wealthsimple Investments Incorporated, which acts as a nominee on your behalf. This is the essence of street name. But doesn't that mean Wealthsimple owns the stocks? Hold on there, Tiger. While Wealthsimple holds the stocks in their name, you are still the beneficial owner. Think of it like this, the certificate might have Wealthsimple's name on it, but you get all the benefits of ownership, dividends, voting rights, the whole shebang. Why street name? There are a few reasons. Firstly, it simplifies the process. Imagine millions of individual stock certificates floating around, a logistical nightmare. Street name keeps things efficient and organized. Secondly, it enhances security. With everything electronic, there's less risk of certificates getting lost or stolen. Are there any drawbacks? A minor one is that you don't have direct control over the physical stock certificates, though in today's digital world, that's not a huge deal. Also, in very rare situations, there could be issues with the nominee, Wealthsimple, going bankrupt. But regulations are in place to mitigate those risks. So, the final verdict? Yes, you do own the stocks in your Wealthsimple account. You might not have a fancy certificate with your name on it, but you hold the beneficial ownership, which grants you all the important rights and benefits. Now, this doesn't mean you should go out and max out your credit card to buy stocks. Investing requires research, a solid strategy, and a healthy dose of caution. But hopefully, this video has given you some peace of mind and a clearer understanding of how Wealthsimple holds your investments. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of finance. So, keep learning, keep growing your portfolio responsibly, and happy investing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.